Coming to you. We're 1 week into Australia's biggest skincare experiment, and wow, what a week it's been. I just thought I'd do a little update on exactly what's happening with my skin. What an amazing thing makeup is, I have to say. So I have to say that I just really wanted to share a couple of little things with you. You can see Cody's sort of just showing my skin and how dry it is, and my lines are more obvious, all those things that make you feel quite insecure. So this week's been, the weekend for me in particular was quite a learning experiment for me, because I really didn't sort of go out of the house too much because I felt so insecure about my skin. I'm really red and inflamed. My mucous membranes have started to be affected on my nose. I have hives all over my body. My eyes are swollen, and basically my eyes are watery, and it's been such a learning curve for me, this experiment, and I'm not sure that I'm actually going to be able to go the 6 weeks because my skin feels pretty awful. And the reason being is because my skin's actually used to corneal therapeutic products, and what that means is that my skin, it only uses products that mimic the dermal membrane structure, and that they're physiologically compatible, which means that the skin can actually ingest the ingredients that are in my products to make my skin healthy and happy, and keeping my epidermis really strong, and keeps my immune system in my skin strong. At the moment, my immune system is completely switched on. So hence why I am getting red, bumpy, itchy, hives, all those things. We've got cells in the skin, the Langerhans cell, that is there to protect us from, things from invading our skin. I know that my Langerhans cell would have probably ran out of my skin at the moment and residing in my lymphatic system, because it is never going to be able to fight the war or win the war of so many toxic chemical ingredients that I've actually popped on my skin. So yes, just to let you know that it has been a tough week. On the weekend yesterday I really struggled because my skin was completely on fire, and I nearly threw the towel in. But anyway, and it's amazing, I've actually had to put some young blood makeup on today because I just I felt ugly. I went and had my hair blow dried. So just to try and make me feel a little bit better. I feel like I'm really old because I know that I've got a lot of holes in my skin at the moment. So it means I'm having a lot of transepidermal water loss, which means that the water is evaporating out of my skin, which makes you look quite old and lined. So all these fun things. But I just thought I'd give you a little update. Week 1. What a week it's been. I'm just about to post some photos so you can see my skin. Today when I came into the clinic, Jess actually took some photos. So it's all, it's been a very interesting experiment, and let's just see how far I can go. But thank you for all the followers for following, and all the beautiful comments, especially my fellow skin therapists out there who are supporting me all the way through this. And I look forward to continuing the journey. So thank you for joining me.